Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and hope you're having a wonderful weekend. So today I just wanted to share my graduation makeup with you and show you how I achieved this look with a tutorial. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, and this is actually one of my favorite palettes. So as you can see, the look is kind of like a smoky eye. It has like the silver and the navy blue to match my dress on the day. And yeah, since my graduation was 2 years ago, just the other day in July, I thought that I should just recreate this look and show you how you could do this look for one of your events maybe. And yeah, just share my knowledge and have fun doing it. So I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you're having a lovely weekend. So yeah, bye for now. Okay, so now that my eyes have been primed, now I can show you how to do the actual makeup. I'm going to be using this Naked Smoky palette. It's actually one of my absolute favorites and I really love the range of colors in it. I'll just show you what it looks like. And I love the fact it comes with a little applicator brush as well, so I'm going to be using that. So I'm just taking my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with this color called Slanted, which is this one here. And what I'm doing is just patting this onto the eyelid. I'm also going to take the color called Armor, which is this one, and kind of mix it in with the slanted color to get a bit of mixture of those two shades. I think these shades look absolutely gorgeous. And with this palette there's no fallout or anything, which is very good. So I'm just doing the same with the other eye, mixing Armor and Slanted on to the lid and just patting it on very lightly. And as you can see, there's absolutely no fallout, which is really good. This is one of the main reasons why I love Urban Decay eyeshadow. It's really amazing quality. And also the pigments are really good. They don't seem to crease either, which is what you want, especially for a big day like a graduation, because you'll probably get hot and sweaty sitting in the hall waiting to go on stage. but the Urban Decay primer and the setting spray really helped the makeup last all day. If I recall, it was actually raining on my graduation day, so at least my makeup lasted for the photos, but it wasn't really ideal. But we made the most of it anyway. It was a really great day. Enjoyed myself. So I'm just gonna take this contour shadow brush and then go in with this color called Dagger. Just this one right here. And it's kind of a navy blue color, which really went with my dress. It looked amazing on the day. I was so rushed because I had my hair done on the day and I still didn't have a dress, so I had to get my hair done, rush to find a dress, which I found, and it was a nice navy blue one from Quiz, and it was really beautiful. I really loved it, but it was such a mad rush. Getting my hair done, getting the dress, going home, applying all my makeup, and then I was maybe 2 minutes late and I was like freaking out because I don't like being late. But I got there on time, it's okay. There's a bit of leeway with those kind of things too. So what I'm doing is just patting the color into my crease. I feel that this deposits the color really well. And yeah, no fall, well, a little bit of fallout, but not too much. We can fix that. Okay, so I'm going to do the same to the other eye as I did before. So I'm going to apply this color called Dagger onto my crease. And I'm just basically patting it into the crease, and it applies really well that way. Packs the color in really well, reduces the amount of fallout, which is good. I really love smoky eyes. I think they're amazing. It gives such a nice evening look and a really nice effect. Okay, so to even out my eyes, I'm just gonna apply a little more above. See if we can get it evened out. Okay, there we go. It looks even enough. So what I'm gonna do now is take a little bit of this color called Black Market, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna take the brush that came with it, so this one. So I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner of my crease. And what I'm doing is just patting it in. And what this basically does is just give it more depth on the outside of the crease, which I think always gives it much more dimension. And I'm just doing the same to the other eye. Patting it into the crease, into the outer corner of the crease, as much as possible. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's more or less how I had it on my graduation. So I'm gonna take the applicator brush that I used before, and I'm gonna use the other side, and I'm gonna go in with this color called 13, which is this one. And that's going to be the color that goes inside the inner corner and underneath the brow bone. And I'm going to just do the same to the other eye. Okay, so that's the eye tutorial complete. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, my mascara, my falsies, and also my lipstick. So I will do that and then I'll come back and check in again. So bye for now. Hi everyone! So this is how the look turned out. So it's kind of like a silver and navy blue smoky eye. I really enjoyed recreating my graduation makeup, just remembering it because it was 2 years ago and all that. So it was a very special day. It was very beautiful. I had a great time. I made the most of it. It was amazing. But it was very emotional because, you know how graduations are. I had so much fun sharing my graduation memories and sharing my little stories with you. I hope you enjoyed them, and I'm really impressed with how the look turned out. It was quite accurate to how it was on the actual day. I really like smoky eyes because they kind of just look really kind of night kind of colors, which I really like. I like dark colors, as you can tell, and I think the pink lip really complements the whole look. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to more exciting content coming soon. So until next time, bye!